Hello everybody, this is Irene, I found 98 here, and we're in the presence of Hurricane Irene. I'll show you a little glimpse. Right now it's not fun. I'll probably do another update later about it. You can probably hear the wind from it. The worst part about it is, just like 5 minutes ago, let's see if I can align it just right. I hope you guys can see it. Maybe not much. If you look closely, that's a tree limb. Right there. Huge tree limb broke off of the tree. Oh. Here comes the wind again. But, yeah. I'm trying to get far enough so that you can actually see it. It's a pretty good sized tree limb, too. This is probably one of the first hurricanes I've actually been in, besides the tropical storms. This is a Category 1, I believe? Yes. And it still broke a tree limb. Poor tree. Not really. Some of the other tree limbs in my backyard are broken off, but not a full branch like that. Let me look. I'll show you one side. You guys probably can't see much. I'll check the video. Oh yeah, my dad was actually very smart to actually do this. That's my driveway. That tree limb's on. You guys probably can't see. I'm not lining it up this time. That tree limb, that's on my driveway. That's my driveway. Let me point to it. That's my driveway right there. It's blocking it from me going onto the street. But my dad was smart enough to move the cars to the side of the house over there. Can't see him. Pretty good size. Oh, I keep hitting the camera on the freaking screen. Actually, here's a glimpse of the window from my door that's broken. You can see the window over there. But my dad did it, so both of my cars are on that side of the garage. So one's pointing towards the street, and one's pointing towards my backyard. He was smart enough to do that because now, since that's tree limbs down, we can't get out of the driveway. We have to get out from the backyard, from my truck. Ooh. That hurt a lot. It's gonna be worse later on. If I find out that it's worse and there's more damage, I'll show you the damage. But at the moment, it's just wind, really. There you can see it. Yeah, we got everything in my trampoline, my basketball hoop, and everything. And yeah, wish us luck through Hurricane Irene. It's a